Hey, Jimmy Martin here, your real estate professional with Coldwell Banker, and I am here in downtown Columbia at an agent open house. Now, we as real estate agents have different open houses. We have a public open house and we have an agent open house. Well, this is an agent open house, so local real estate agents, not just with Coldwell Banker, with different branches that are around the Columbia area, we want them to come here, give us their feedback. In order to get agents to come here, we have to feed them and give away something. So we got a couple of gift cards that we're giving away, and we're also feeding them some good, really good sandwiches from Jason's Deli. If you've never been there, it's just really, really good. And we get those in here. But what the main thing we need is, of course, the feedback. The feedback is very important. You know, we have a list of saying, well, what do you think about the price? What do you think about the curb appeal? What do you think about the interior design? What needs to be changed in this house to make someone want to come in here and say, I got to have this house? So if you want someone that's going to work for you and have an agent open house and have a public open house and do the things that we do to sell your house, you need to give me a call at 803-238-7227 and let me put my work to work for you.